I'm Lindsay Meyer, the LM of Consumer Realm. Today, I'm giving away a closely guarded secret, my Chinese chicken salad recipe. To me, this is the perfect meal. It has freshness, fruit, salt, protein, and crunch. It embodies the idea of eating your water by getting hydrated with lots of fresh veggies. To make this at home, you'll need Napa cabbage, chopped chicken, a red bell pepper, a navel orange, cilantro, green onion, sliced almonds, black sesame seeds, soy sauce, rice vinegar, hoisin sauce, and sesame oil. Like most at-home salads, this requires a decent amount of chopping. We'll start with the Napa cabbage, which has more white ribbing than the conventional green cabbage. Napa cabbage originated in China, which I suspect is the reason this salad is called Chinese chicken salad. Speaking of chicken, we want to chop up some of that too. I like to use the meat from a rotisserie chicken, but really any kind of chicken will work in this recipe. We'll chop up about half of our red bell pepper. We'll also add some cilantro and some scallions that we slice at an angle. Lastly, we'll segment an orange by removing the outer peel and then carefully cutting along the perforation lines. Now that everything is prepared, we'll turn our attention to making the dressing. For this, I use a somewhat arbitrary combination of hoisin, maybe a tablespoon or two. This will add a sweetness. I'll add a similar amount of soy sauce, a splash of rice vinegar to brighten everything up, a dash of sesame oil to give everything a nice oily sheen. I like to whisk the dressing together. Add it to the top of my cabbage, and then start to add the chicken and all of the crunchy vegetal elements on top. And our segmented orange. We'll also toss in about a quarter cup of sliced almonds for some extra nutty crunch. Let's give it all a toss. Sometimes I actually like to use the whisk to mix up everything, trying to get everything coated in that dressing. And as a principle, I always think it's better to underdress rather than overdress, because you can always add a dash more soy sauce or sesame oil if you feel like it needs a little extra. Now, for the finishing touch, I like to top my salad with black sesame seeds. This is definitely one of my best recipes. I hope you'll give it a try and let me know if you like it. Thanks for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you next time.